Hey, what's up, y'all? This is 𝐓𝐿𝐿𝐿. I am currently finishing up the last day of my Utah trip. If you're new to the channel, I am a landscape photographer based out of sunny Florida. And on YouTube here, I share some of the behind the scenes of my images and the post-processing on how I create them. So if you're interested in any of that, feel free to hit that subscribe button and stick around for some epic Milky Way shots from this morning. What is up, y'all? So another day, another spot. This is Faux Falls, I believe, in Moab. It's pretty neat. You don't see many waterfalls around here that I know of anyway. The sky's not really too interesting. We got a few clouds rolling in. I just went ahead, set up my tripod, and shot a few selfies. So I actually jumped across the stream there and got some selfies on the other side with me in frame that I really like. Trying to add a little human element to my images when I can. And then yeah, so I think from here we're gonna go ahead and run over to the arches. Haven't really decided which arch I'm gonna do. Maybe delicate, maybe another one, but we'll see. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, for an amazing sky tonight for sunset, but only time will tell. So, kind of realized I didn't really talk about my setup at all. So because it was so bright out and I wanted the water to be smooth. Damn. Hiking up mountains is difficult. I had to throw on my 6-stop ND filter. Yeah, it was, I think I took it at 20 millimeters about. I thought that was the best, widest I wanted to be, and yet capture everything, not too much blue sky. And then, I think the other thing that I wanted to say was I did throw on my remote shutter, mainly because I wanted to get a selfie. I'm not with anybody anymore, but also to reduce some shake between clicking the shutter and taking the image. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I hope you enjoy the image. All right, let's continue. So there's turret arch, I believe. I'm standing in window arch. And the camera. Right there. Climbing back up to get the camera, which is right there. just finished Delicate Arch. We got a decent sunset. There were some puddles down on this side of me. I went down to get and got a cool reflection shot. I like this wave pattern we got going on here that you'll see in the image. That's kind of my leading line to the arch right now, and yeah, gonna go finish up and hike back down, probably get some dinner, and maybe wake up and shoot the Milky Way. Who knows? Here's some of the images that I got tonight. So I just got done with the arches. I had an amazing night, absolutely amazing morning. Milky Way was unreal. Not really a cloud in the sky. I got just about every image that I wanted, and it was, yeah, could not ask for a better night. I went and did a little bit of star trails earlier on in the evening at Window and Turret, and then from there I went to bed for for 2 hours. Got up at 2 a.m. and looked up in the sky, and it was epic. Milky Way was out, clouds were gone. So I went ahead and I went to Balanced Rock and shot some Milky Way there. There were quite a few people at Balanced Rock. There was a small workshop that was going on. So, you know, a little overcrowded, but it's fine. You know, I still walked away with the few images that I really like. And then I decided around 4 a.m. that I was going to go and hike Delicate again. Because when I was up there for sunset, I scoped out the Photo Pills app, and the arch was supposed to rise right over Delicate Arch. So I made the decision to head that way, and I started up the trail about 4:30. If you didn't know, Delicate Arch is about a 2-mile hike, kind of up a cliff, cliff-ish. They're rated. It's rated a difficult hike to do. So you know, I was kind of pushing it on time. Luckily, I got up there just in time to catch the Milky Way for about 30 minutes. And then I decided to stay up there for sunrise to see if we got any color. Didn't really pop off the way I wanted it to, but it was exactly what I was expecting. Met some cool people and yeah, hiked back down, and now we are on our way to Valley of Fire, which will be the last stop of this trip before I head to Las Vegas to fly back home. So yeah, yeah, unreal, absolutely unreal. I'll throw up some images now, and I hope you enjoy. What is going on, everybody? So I'm at Fire Valley State Park, and to be honest, I'm gonna have to come back because I really did not get any time here. I've got maybe 1-2 shots at most, and I spent a lot of the time getting the one shot. So but yeah, that puts an end to this trip, and you know, I thank you all for watching, and I appreciate all the support, and let me know which photo you like the best. I think I have a couple really good ones in here, so I'm excited about that, and maybe I'll release some post-processing tutorials on some of the Milky Way shots. If that's something that you'd be interested in, let me know down in the comments below, and yeah, until next time, peace. It's about to pop off right, yo! Look at this right now. As I'm leaving, the sky is going on.